How to run ads on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can get started with running ads on Instagram. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, first off, you need to have your own Instagram account, and your account needs to be a public business account. So you guys can see I have this account over here, and it's a public account and it's a business account. Now, once you log on to into your Instagram account, you're going to see ad tools directly on the top right. And if you click on ad tools, you can get started with creating ads over here, but that is not something that I recommend. I actually recommend going to the Meta Business Suite. So you can go on ahead and use your Facebook account to create your account on Meta. Once you are on Meta, so once you have signed up on Meta, which you usually just can sign up with your Facebook address or Facebook email address and password. And once you're in your Meta Business Suite, what you're going to do is you're going to create a Facebook business account. So how can you create a business account? Just click on Create Business Portfolio on the bottom left. And once you do that, you can create a business portfolio in Meta. So this is a business portfolio that I've opened up over here. All of this is pretty basic and simple. And once you've done that, once you have your business portfolio in your Meta Business Suite set up, then you're going to connect your business account of Instagram. So to do that, you can go into your basic settings on the bottom left, and then in your account section on the left, you will see your Instagram accounts. So click on Instagram accounts over here and click on Add Instagram accounts. Once you do that, we're going to agree to the terms of service and then claim our Instagram account over here. Now, once you do that, you will have to authorize Meta to be able to access our Instagram account. So I'll just insert my password and username over here and click on log in. So once you click on login, we're just going to proceed over here to authorize these changes to our Instagram and Meta account. Now, once you have done that, your Instagram account will be added to the Meta Business Suite. And from your Meta Business Suite, you can get started with running ads on Instagram. And this makes it a whole lot more easier for you to set up campaigns, get a variable budget. You can set up different ad campaigns for different segmentations as well. So we're going to wait for the verification to be completed. And it might take a couple of seconds for this verification to be completed. So I'm just going to wait over here until our verification is completed. And if you go on ahead and go into your Instagram account, you can actually edit your profile and take a look at the Meta Business Suite from there as well. If you don't have an account already, you can just go on ahead and create one from there as well. And I'm just going to wait. So our account has now been connected. It took like 2 to 3 minutes for the account connection to be completely, synced up. And once you've done that, you're just going to click on your account and click on log in. You just log into your account on your browser if you were using a different one previously, or once the connection has been built, you might have to log in once more. And I'm just going to log in to sync up my messaging and all my other info. So I'm just going to click on not now for now. And we're going to wait for this to be synced up. So we're just going to wait. And once you have completed your login, you can get started with creating ads for Instagram. So I am going to go on ahead and refresh my Meta Business Suite. And if you're having any issues, you can just go ahead and re-log in to your business manager. And we're going to go into our business manager over here. Once we go into our business manager, we should be able to view our account. So if I go into my Instagram accounts, it's linked. I'll log into my account over here to make it easier for us to access. Now, once we have completed these steps, we can get started with ad creation on Meta. So to run ads on Instagram with our Meta account, we will see on the bottom we have the account access, we have any connected assets to our account, and then we can click on ads on the left. And then once we go into ads, we can go on ahead and get started with creating our ad campaigns. So to run these ads on Instagram, what you're going to do is you can go into ads on the left and then click on Create Ad on the top right. And with Meta, you have multiple different options on how you want to create your ads, and these will vary depending on the type of business that you are trying to establish. Plus, another thing to note is that once you do have your Instagram account logged in on your browser, and if you have administrators managing your account, you can set up different permissions on Meta as well. Now, for your ads, you have different management styles, so you can create an ad with new media, or you can boost content from your profile. So let's say I want to create my ad with new media, and I can just select any file from my computer. Let's say it's this one, and I want to open this up. And then even if you want to build like a multi-post, you can click on the bottom right icon and select multiple different images. Then click on next over here, and you can apply any filters or adjustments. So let's say I want to add more adjustments like this, and then you can choose the temperature as well. And then we have the vignette. And then after you have made any type of adjustment, you can write a caption, hashtag elegance, or whatever you want to add. You're going to click on add over here. And once you have completed adding your media or adding the content of your ad, which I would recommend you design in Canva because that's, a whole lot more easier. You will see you have to boost post, and with a Facebook ad account, without your Facebook ad account, we're obviously going to be using our Facebook ad account to do this, and I'll just log into Facebook. And currently Meta is lagging behind. It's not syncing up properly. So it's not syncing my Instagram account with my Meta Business Suite, but this just might be a connection error. So we're just going to wait for that to be resolved. And once you do that, you will see these will be your entire options. On the top right, you will have the info about your ad account, and you can open that up as well. Now from here, I can add the purpose of this particular campaign. So if I want more people to visit my Instagram profile, to visit my website, and you can add the URL to your website, and then you also have the option for messaging. Then you have special requirements. So if your ad is about housing, social issues, elections, or politics, you can turn this on. For us, it's not. After that, you also have a suggested audience, or you can manually create your own audience. So I want to create my own audience, and this is going to be tweens. And then after that, I want to add specific interests, which might be, I want to add specific interests over here. And Instagram is having some downtime right now. I don't know why. But after that, you can add a specific interest. You can segment a particular age group. You can also segment a gender. You can also segment, the type of population you have based upon their interest or location. I want to target anyone that is under 35 and above 18, and the gender is female. And I'll click on save over here. And this would be the target audience for my ad campaign. Below that, you have your ad budget. So how much money do you want to spend per day on your campaign? You have multiple different variations available depending on the current rates of Instagram. Plus, keep in mind that for campaigning in different areas, you're going to be charged a different amount. Then below that, you have the duration. So if you want to run it until you pause your campaign yourself, or if you want to set a duration for how long you want to run this campaign. So let's say I want this to be a 5-day campaign, then we can set a budget for that as well. And then you can click on create ad, and your new ad campaign on Instagram will be created with Meta. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with making ads on Instagram as well as using the Meta Business Suite. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.